It is day 3 of our 6-day in Sherman Oaks, California, and just wow. What's happening over here is Greg is modifying irrigation. We're only going to be irrigating the Caliandra hedge. The rest of the garden will be hand watered by our client. So Greg is in the process of retrofitting the irrigation so that he can attach polyline all the way down to make sure that those calliandras get a good old drink of water. We've burned through most all of our plants. There's still a few left because, you know, there's always going to be, oh, there's a spot there, oh, there's a spot there. We still have a lot, like almost a whole basket of Grand Canyon onyx, 2 foot minus, mostly 1 foot, to throw around. You can see the guys have crushed this path. It's so beautiful. It's still in the process of being laid out in places. And then in other areas, we're already working on stabilization with decomposed granite. So it's like putting together a puzzle, and it is an art form to do a good a good pathway, and the guys are crushing it. Here is our tropical area. This is the area of the garden that doesn't get a whole heck of a lot of sun. So we brought in bromeliads and aeoniums. I brought a variegated attenuata clone from my beautiful mother in Vista. We moved a potted portulacaria that was in the front courtyard to the back behind our pachypodium, which I just thought looked great. And these sticks that you see crawling up the side of the pergola, that's wisteria, friends. And this is going to just be insanely beautiful in a few more months with the purple. Obviously we're going to be doing a bunch of decorative rock all around the fountain. This is just going to be so beautiful. I had Nate, Hannah, Miguel, and myself working on Tapestry today. So we are probably about 75% done with the tapestry. You can see Miguel pulling in some really cute pieces of jasper purple rock and rubble to accentuate, delineate, and secure his plant material. The tapestries are extra fun when we don't have to micro irrigate, because we really can go completely crazy and put anything we want wherever we want, knowing that it's going to be hand watered. So here you can see this beautiful, beautiful spread of tapestry all the way through the yucca bed. It's so gorgeous. We pulled a beautiful little barrel cactus out of the front yard and tucked it right there. And the tapestry just extends all the way through and around. So the sight line, when you come down the pathway, I wanted there to be pretty color. So I think we have nailed it. I am still in the process of working out this tapestry area here. Remember, where Hannah's standing with the camera is going to be a seating area. So these flagstones are not, it's not going to be a flagstone area. This is just our holding, this is the holding yard for the flagstone. The guys are pulling from here. This will be done in gravel, and then the chairs will go directly on top of the gravel. But yeah, we got her pig, her flying pig, flying, and I love it. It's so stinking cute. And then the other pig, our client found these in Santa Barbara, and I decided this pig I would tuck tapestry all around her. But I mean, my gosh, isn't that the cutest? The little curly Q tail and the little eyelashes, and oh my goodness, I'm working out how to do, just doing a, just where I now it's, we're as I said, getting into the detail and splashing some color here and there. This little corner here, I did fiberglass in the plicatillus pot, and then just popped in some fresh plant material in these 2 terracotta pots here. I haven't done anything with the pots yet that we're going to use on the porch, but I did get to work down this way. Threw in a little softness right here. Added a little brevifolia with the trigona. this cool piece of wood is going to be actually screwed or nailed to the fence. This area, plant-wise, I'm done. I'm real happy with it. I got her little bird bath planted. And I found, isn't it? Is it a bird bath?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think it was a fountain. I think it was a bird bath.
I used to hang.
Looks, yeah, I see. So odd. Huh. Wonder what the story is there. Anywho, so yes, you can see that the path, you know, extends all the way around. This chair, this is not going to live here. This is a chair for the patio. But see, this is what the stabilization looks like. You know, once we get,
And we haven't watered it. It's not fully.
yeah, it's not fully stabilized yet. We still have to, you know, kind of hose it down. But these aren't going any place. This is fantastic. And we've got plenty of room to get into the shed. The client was concerned about that, but that's, you know, that's a non-issue. So yeah, I mean, this just feels so good. I'm loving my driftwood. This is a piece of ghost wood that I picked up at Waterwise Botanicals, and I love how it kind of mirrors the gnarliness of the aloe medusa. So loved that. And I just went with a Hummel jade in the beautiful Talavera pot. It just loved the yellow pop of color right there. Totally working for me. So gosh, what else can we tell you guys? We still have to, Greg still has lights, and all of the lines will have to be buried, of course. We've got plenty of time to really dial this garden in. We won't be at all rushed. I allowed plenty of time. This is shaping up exactly the way I hoped it would. It always does. So, you know, as always, thank you so much to my extremely hardworking crew. These guys are as committed to excellence as I am, and I couldn't do any of it without them. So, day 3, thanks so much for following, and we will catch you on the flip. Bye, guys.